This is an absolutely genius invention. A guy uses a pot lid antenna that went out of use in the 90s. He has created a superb signal pickup device. Can pick up Wi-Fi signals up to 10,000 m. Very resistant to interference. Can pick up signals even in mountainous areas. The best part is that it's completely free to access the internet. Watch the whole production process. I just cut off the internet. I'll share the process with you next. If you like it, please like and follow. First we found a pair of closed wire used in the 90s. Then we stripped off the top section. Put a connector on it. Then we soldered the other end of the cable to the speaker. Then we find another antenna. Solder the same to the other side of the speaker. Insulate it with heat shrink tubing. Solder the outer copper wires together. Solder a data cable to the other end of the closed wire. Then plug the closed wire into the receiver terminal of the pot antenna. Finally, the speaker is gasket and fix the speaker with glue. The receiver is now complete. Let's start testing. Take a look. The internet is really free, and the signal strength is very high. If you like it, please like and follow. Share interesting inventions every day.